The unpleasant odor of the mouth may have different causes. For example, some people are always suffering from oral maltreatment due to lack of oral hygiene, and some people may also have infections in the nasal area, throat, and even sinuses, which can be treated to eliminate bad breath caused by their throat and throat. Dry mouth, stress, anxiety and depression, fasting, alcohol consumption, smoking and even some medications can cause bad breath. In some people, bad breath is caused by the stomach, and therefore you should first identify the main problem and the cause of bad breath and then take action to remove the bad breath. Reasons for bad breath: inappropriate brushing, dry mouth, gum disease, menstrual, tooth decay, foods such as onions and garlic, food residue in teeth and tongue, alcohol, cigarette, gastrointestinal reflux disease, acid reflux, diabetes, lung infection, certain medications such as allergy medications and tri-ring antidepressants. Complex carbohydrates cause bad breath because they cause more decomposition of the bacteria in the mouth, resulting in more odor. Reduce consumption of white bread, refined sugar, white rice and flour. Ways to prevent bad breath: brush every day. Use floss after eating. Wash your mouth with water several times after eating. Use garlic and onions as cooked. Use herbs such as tarragon, rosemary, parsley and basil, chew them well in the mouth and then swallow. Quit smoking. Ways to remove bad breath: chewing sugar-free gum with mint flavor. Combine a spoonful of apple cider vinegar with a glass of cold water and wash the mouth with this solution. Pour some coconut oil or eucalyptus oil into the mouth and roll it in the mouth for 5 minutes and then spit it out. Put some fennel seeds in the mouth and chew and then eat. Grate and compress the ginger root until fresh water is removed. Add this water to the hot water and wash your mouth with it. Chew and eat some fresh parsley. Combine some lemon juice and yogurt and place on the tooth for 5 minutes. Combine some lemon juice and baking soda and rub the dough on the teeth for a minute. Do not do this every day to prevent enamel degradation, and take no more than a minute at a time. How to detect bad breath: lick the back of your hand, and smell after 10 minutes. This odor indicates the presence of sulfur salts in the saliva of the mouth. Smelling dental floss after flossing is also a good method. Golden tips: combining lukewarm water and salt and twisting this solution in the mouth is one of the best ways to eliminate bad breath. It's best to do it twice a day. Chew a cardamom seed and eat it after eating. When brushing, wipe the tongue with the tongue part of the toothbrush. Brush the tongue. Rinse the citrus peel like lemon and then chew. This not only refreshes the mouth, but also encourages the citric acid in those salivary glands to produce more saliva, which acts as the mouth's natural defense against bad breath and tooth decay.